Alright guys, I was out running a hay boxing truck today and I thought I toasted the transmission, the gearbox, or perhaps just the grub screw came out of the pinion gear. But long story short, I just want to salvage this video and make it into a gearbox inspection video. So the troubleshooting I went through is not for nothing, and you can see after some 4S running and some hard 3S running how the gearbox looks in the HBX 2997A. Stay tuned. Well, I noticed this wasn't cinched down all the way. I did cinch it down a little bit since I got home, but that may have been my problem. But just to make sure, I'm gonna open this thing up and see if the pinion gear came off the motor shaft. All right, let's see what we got going on in here. So the pinion is still on there. And best I can tell, the gears look pretty good. I think they look fine. Well, I fired it back up and something's definitely stripped in the gearbox. I did it off camera, but I'm trying to figure out how to get this thing apart. I think I have 2 more screws here. All right, that came apart. Put this back together. All right, false alarm. Nothing's wrong with the gearbox. This is spinning freely. So something about the setup with these wheels is no good. Let's see, is this side bad? No, it's just this one right here. So that's my problem right there. Okay, I finally figured out what was going on. I actually broke the pin for the hex and it had fallen out of there, best I can tell. So I'm gonna pop a new pin in here. Luckily HBX includes extras. And there we go, no more spinning. So that's all it was. Pop this adapter back on here. And then I'll Loctite it and we'll be back in business.
Full throttle.